Everyone's watching the forecast closely today.
Oh, yes, they are. So alert day for today, high wind warning in effect. So that starts at 9 a.m. Gusts 45 to 60 miles per hour. Also, we're talking about some severe storms rolling in after 2 p.m. All the impacts, tornadoes, wind, hail, and heavy rain, all possible for us as we get into the afternoon. So let's get into it. Bigger picture shows good portion of Louisiana, Mississippi, portions of Arkansas under that level 3 risk or that enhanced risk for severe weather. We're also under that as well. So yesterday did not look like this. Only small portions of the North Shore where this got extended on down for basically the rest of us. Tornado threat, that has actually increased as well. So we're looking at a level 3 chance of seeing some tornadoes pop up for us as we do get into the afternoon. Immediately, though, the concern this morning going to be those high winds. So we'll show you what the gusts are right now. Most of us are about 10 to 15 miles per hour for those gusts. Gusts, those are those strong bursts of wind that you feel, not the sustained wind. But here's the forecast as we are going throughout the next several hours for us. Once we get to 8 a.m., gusts already getting up to about 35 miles per hour at this point. So it's as we get later into the morning, the higher these gusts are going to get. Here's 10 a.m., almost up to 40 miles per hour for these gusts. So yes, better decision to have those parades start a little earlier for us. As we get to noon, already gusting over 40 miles. And then as we get deeper into the afternoon, wind will start to see some of the strongest winds. You'll even be able to see a 50+ mile per hour for those gusts as those storms are rolling through. Then things will get a whole lot better for us as we do get to tonight. Here's the bigger picture for us. The storm system we are watching on off to our west is right now Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas under a tornado watch as of right now. We're likely going to get under that as well in just a few hours. Here's the timing of the storms. Here's 1 p.m. We do start to see some rain for the North Shore start to enter in. Here's the line that we're watching though. So we get to 2 p.m. Still not rain for everyone just yet, but that line starting to form. Here's 3 p.m. It's right there where we can expect to see some of those strongest winds in that start to push through. Here's 4 p.m. right there over New Orleans. Just on the other side by about 5 p.m. So this is when we could have that window of some of the strongest impacts. I'm saying about 3 to 6, that window of strongest storms for you. Once you get to 9 p.m., most of that already starts to move out of the area for us. Your temperatures as right now, 50s, got some low 60s for you too on the map as well. And then that's really not going to be your main concern for today. It's really going to be the winds, but temperatures for you 60s climbing into the 70s. So it'll be a mild day up ahead for you. Partly cloudy skies to contend with. And then as far as your high temperatures go for today, expected to be into the mid to upper 70s, very close to 80. So yes, it will be on the lot warmer side for us as we are going through. So beyond that though, we're looking at possibly drying out once we get to next week, but also temperatures though, likely going to be a little bit on the warmer side as well. Here's a look at the rest of your 7-day forecast. You're looking at a lot cooler day up ahead for your Wednesday and your Thursday. By Friday, back into the 70s. Next chance of rain not happening until Saturday, guys.